how to buy ZHOUSHUREN. I guess this is the right name. So this token came under the symbol of LUXUN. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 22 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your Bitcoin wallet for that. Now just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So what you need to do after that, click here to select the BNB chain as a network, click on this plus icon, now paste the token address in the search bar. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called LUXUN. After you find it, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token, as you can see. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LUXUN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.